Hi friends, host Eric here, talking with fence people, and today's typing question and what it means is about SI, inverted sensing. So with this question, I'm not so much looking to identify the polar or blind spot, but rather whether somebody's front stack SI or front stack NI. I'll ask them, when's the last time you went to the grocery store, and if it's fairly recent, I'll ask them to articulate in a detailed sequence of events how that trip to the store went, and what it would sound like for somebody who's fluent or capable in SI. As an answer, would sound like, well, first we went in through the right-hand door, we went to the vegetable section. I got broccoli. I was gonna get broccoli, but then I looked at the broccoli and it was kind of tired looking, so we got asparagus instead. And then we went to the deli section and picked up some chicken tenders. They were kind of expensive, but we felt like we were starving. We didn't want to wait till we got home to eat, and etc. In excruciating detail, right? Like, I went to the ramen section, saw that Top Ramen was on sale, so I got Top Ramen instead of my usual choice. That kind of detail. For people who are introverted intuition, front stack, especially 1 or 2, they're going to find it painful to just listen to you demonstrate that articulated specifics of grocery shopping, right? And when you ask them to articulate it, they aren't going to give you nearly as many details as I might give you in the example there. So what do we conclude about what kind of answers we get and what they mean? Well, if you can get that kind of detail from people like I was giving there in the example, then you can conclude that they're SI front stack or SI fifth. ESFP, ESTP can also do this. If they don't provide that level of detail, then you can conclude that they're SI 6, 7, or 8. One answer, however, that can be indicative of polar, although it's not definitive, is if the person says, well, usually I do this, and usually I do that, when you're asking them what they specifically did this morning or last trip.